Hi, to turn on and off 5G on your Redmi Note 14, as a first step, make sure that SIM card is inserted in your phone. For that, open Settings. Now, we need to find this Mobile Networks tab. And from here, make sure that you could see your network provider and phone number on this SIM cards tab. So I got my first SIM card inserted. And now, to actually enable or disable 5G, we will need to tap our SIM card and here go in preferred network type. And now simply choose one of those several options. So if you would like to turn on 5G, then choose this option, prefer 5G, and changes would be immediately applied. If you wanna disable 5G and switch to LTE, for example, which is 4G, you can simply tap this option. And now let me also disable Wi-Fi so you could see mobile network icon on top. So as you can see, when you enable 4G, you get this 4G marking in the status bar. Now let's go back to enable 5G. And this is how 5G mobile data will look. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.